Alright, so we're starting on 3.1, and it is identify pairs of lines and angles. So, there are three types of lines. Well, three types of pairs of lines. There are parallel lines, which look like this. And they have, in the middle of them, like if this is line L and this is line M, they have two little arrows pointing the same way to show that they are parallel. In your book, those little arrows are red. You write that as L is parallel to M. And in words, just so you know, they don't intersect. So there are two lines that don't intersect, and they are coplanar, so they're on the same plane.
What's the thing on there?
What thing?
In the two lines.
Those are two little like triangle arrow looking things. That's what shows, that's the notation to mean that they are parallel. They show up in red in your book. When I said there were three types of pairs of lines, well, that's correct. There are also skew lines. And
dude, it's not funny if someone's getting raped.
Excuse me. We're busy.
It's not even funny.
Two lines are skew if they don't intersect.
Does that say 11 meters?
No, it says L is parallel to M. That's the sign for parallel. Two lines. Two lines are skew if they don't intersect and if they are not coplanar.
Can you use an example, please?
Yep.
Thank you.
Take a plane.
So, there's one line. And let's say, well, let me draw the planes first. I'll make it a little easier. So, let's say this is a plane. And there's another one below it. Well, actually, doesn't matter. There's one below it. So here's one line. And a skew line would be one that's going, like, let's say it's coming up like this, and it's going down through the plane.
It's a dotted line though.
So this is P. The dot means, I guess you can say, show it's going through the plane. The dot means it's going through the plane, through the bottom.
Oh.
So they're not in the same plane because this one's going through the plane and this one's in the plane, and they don't intersect because this one's gonna stay in the plane and that one's
on the
out
right.
of the plane.
One line, or is that two different
It's
lines?
one line. It's just showing that it's in a different plane, so it intersects the plane and goes through it.
Oh, like a thing. Okay.
Like a pencil going through the paper.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Is it plane P or line P?
This is line P, and this would be like line R.
So like in real life, it pretty much just looks like that.
Yes,
Okay.
you got it.
Yeah,
Okay,
like a sphere through a hole.
the last type of line is a perpendicular, two perpendicular lines. And they are lines that form a right angle. they intersect. That's correct.
Perpendicular lines.
That's a fun.
Perpendicular lines are lines that form a right angle, and they would also have to intersect.
Scale it up, please.
Sure. And if this is z and this is y, you write z is perpendicular to y.